Hey guys, I'm Young. I'm so excited today. Not because I'm standing in front of the most recently opened luxury shopping mall. Apparently they named themselves as Silicon Valley of Culture. Well, I'm not really quite sure how that came about, but inside is super luxury. Even exterior is gorgeous. So of course I want to sort of try to take some cinematic footage, and the best device to get those cinematic shots are of course my Osmo Pocket. But if you guys are really good with your eyes, and if you have noticed there's something on here, can you see? Yes, an extra lens. Since it's teeny weeny, I want to show you. This is the wide angle lens from Freewell. Freewell did it again. They produced something that we all wanted. I mean, there has been a lot of other companies that does produce some wide angle lens. However, the quality hasn't been that amazing, what I've seen in the review. And when Freewell sent me this product to test out, they were like, it will not hinder with the quality, 4K quality of Osmo Pocket. So today I want to check it out whether that's the case. And because we have beautiful sky today, so I'm going to use that as my canvas. So the lens has a little bit of weight. So what they suggest is that you turn on the Osmo Pocket first. And actually, I didn't read the instruction very carefully, and I actually turned it on while I had the lens on, which was actually okay. So now Osmo Pocket is ready, so let's go inside and see the beautiful interior of the shopping mall. So now I'm switching over to Osmo Pocket with the wide angle lens on. I've been a little bit of an idiot because I actually didn't bring the mic adapter, so my mic is actually attached to the camera. But let's get inside and see the beautiful interior design of the luxury shopping mall. So this is when you have the lens on, and this is without. And what I already noticed is that if you put on the lens, and if the camera is facing me, it's usually okay. However, occasionally it can get a little bit shaky like now. So all you need to do is maybe tap the camera or just reinstall. Then it's okay. So I hope you guys enjoyed the testing of this lens. I mean, it does only cost $29.99, and I feel like it actually does add value to Osmo Pocket, and it does go into the tiny rig case that I've shown you before. I think actually there wouldn't be much problem with putting it in your normal Osmo Pocket case. For me, the only sort of downside is that it does shake a little bit. It does put a little bit of strain on gimbal. You can just put it on and then hold it up. Okay. And I'll also put up the original photos, little clips or videos for you to really see the original size rather than on YouTube. So I hope it helps, and I'll come back with some other good reviews soon. So see you!